Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because I am doing an unboxing of the Decocrated subscription box for the spring collection. So this is my first time getting one of their boxes, and this will be an unboxing and a first impressions as well. So if you're interested in watching, then let's just jump into it. Okay, so the box, it's a pretty good size. It comes like this, and so it says open, decorate, and share. It says open me. It says looks like we made a happy little accident. So in there was this little cheers y'all coaster. It's just a cork board coaster. So I don't know if they meant to stick this in the box and it didn't get in there or what happened, but anyway, so we got that. That's our first thing. And I'm literally cutting this open. It's been driving me crazy. I haven't got time to get in here and film this, and it's just been sitting here waiting for me. So, super excited today to see what's in here. So when you first open it up, there is an envelope with a little sticker here, and it says, tell me a story with flowers, stay focused and extra sparkly. So when you first sign up for Decocrated, they send you a free gift, and it's this little shadow box type picture frame with a little clip at the top. And so I've seen on Instagram, they've been hanging this in that little free gift, so I will insert a clip of that free gift here. I did not have it with me, sorry. Actually already using it upstairs. You get this free gift when you sign up for your first subscription, and I love it. I have been using it on a tiered stand, and I have a little picture of some lemons on it. You can hang it or you can stand it. So anyway, so you can see this side. Okay, and then back here says so it's just a little card, and you need to be careful when you're opening it because I did bend my envelope a little bit, so it's a little bent, so didn't know that was in there. And then this is the spring 2019 collection, so it's got a picture of all the key pieces that are in this box or that are in other boxes. So yeah, so let's just get into it. I'll look at the microphone later. Okay, so this may be kind of hard for me to do. So it comes like this, and it's taped up here. So we have to glue it into that. And it looks like some more boxes, and so let's see what we got here. So this item here, it looks like it is a pillow. It can be used as a pillow. Let's see what it is. Okay, so it says the pillows, and so this is just like a cover. So you can, I think, slide it over a pillow that you already have, maybe. And you have to research it a little bit more. There's stuffing in here somewhere, but I doubt that. But it goes really nicely with the home pillow that I have here from Target. So that's cool. Coordinate. Oh, okay. This is the other pillow. So it's got this side, that pattern, and then this pattern on this side. So that's cute. I'm gonna set this box down now so I can start grabbing it. Next item is in a box about this size, and it looks like it's gonna be that blue look. It is like a retro clock, and it's like a teal color or turquoise. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, it's cute. It's definitely not my typical style, but I know people will love this. It's very Joanna Gaines, you know, hearth and home, farmhouse type stuff. So that's cute. Here's a misleading box, little filler box for the way I see it. Just go ahead and put another product in there and call it good. I don't know. Okay. So this one says it's a box that has more coasters in it, and they're corkboard coasters. So it says drink up buttercup, and I'm not sure, they all say something different, and maybe that's why. Yeah, it looks like they all say something different. So there's fry yay, hip sip hooray. So yeah, so anyway, so free one that we got on the front maybe, or maybe it was missing that one. So that's pretty cute. Okay, and then also in there was this cute little potted succulent, which succulents are all the rage this year. I mean, I guess they have been in the past too, but these are really cute in the 3-tiered stand. So those 2 items were in this box, this oblong box here. Okay, so this is pretty cute. Okay, so it comes bubble wrap, and it's a tray. It's so cute. It's got leather straps on the side, and it's got the little honeycomb cut wood. This is definitely what I've been smelling, so I'll have to let this air out a few days, but so cute. Love that. Great job on that one. The last one was a booger to get out. The last one is in a flat rectangular box. Let's just see what we got here. Okay. So here is a liquid chalk marker, and it says, it's even labeled, so that's the brand of the box. So it looks like it's gonna go with this clipboard. Things to remember is what it says, and it is a clipboard up here, and then this is the chalkboard. So I guess that's what that marker is for. So that's kind of cute and clever. You can add like a command strip on the back and hang it somewhere on your wall. And then the last item in the box is one of my fun sayings. I feel like I should have put the fun in now. It is this cute sign, and on this side it says messy bun, getting stuff done. And then on the back it says, today I will be strong, brave, kind, and unstoppable. Today I will be fierce. So that's really cute sign. Very versatile, so you can change it out. Just put it in your home and, you know, switch it around each day, whatever you're feeling. You can also sit it. It looks like it's pretty sturdy on the bottom, so if you didn't want to hang it somewhere, you could just have it be sitting on a coffee table or in your makeup room or something like that. So this is really cute sign. And again, it's got that same wood smell, and of course the colors are perfect. So I would, without knowing much about Decocrated, I would definitely say that they have coordinating pieces. So I will continue to go ahead and get this one. I'm gonna go ahead and do the summer one, and I think they have 4 maybe. So I'll see what they offer in the next couple boxes. I'm not one that makes a rash decision off of just one box. I totally was excited about that pillow cover, that tray, like this thing. I love this thing. Whatever this is. This is really cute. This is a cute sign. Of course, the succulent, you can't go wrong with that. And then, you know, these are seem like really good quality pillow covers. So definitely excited about that. I'm curious to see as the future ones come in if they have pillow covers as well. I'm not, like I said, I don't really know enough about it. I actually, kudos to them for advertising, because they got me hook, line, and sinker. But on my Instagram page, they had an ad, and it just kept popping up, and the quality of the stuff looked really pretty, and the just the pieces. They're key essential pieces, and I love that, you know, you can use them throughout the year. So, you know, anytime, it's kind of like Christmas, I guess. So anytime that someone wants to help me decorate my house, I am game for it. The price, I can't remember the price right now. I will list it down in the description box below. I do know that I think at the time I ordered, you could get $10 off your first box, if I'm not mistaken. So, and then they have an annual subscription. I think you save a little bit of money if you do that, or you can just have an automatic enroll pay, I think, for your month or the quarterly subscriptions or the seasonal subscriptions. So again, this was my first impression, first unboxing, and I will definitely get another one. So great job on the first one. Thanks for yeah, thanks for meeting my expectations. I'm super excited about it. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you had thought about giving subscription box a try, I think you should definitely do so. I think you get a lot of products here, a lot of quality products. This is definitely not cheap stuff. So for the amount of money that you're spending, plus it's like, I would have never thought of that, right? I would have never purchased one of those pillow covers or that sign or the clipboard, but you know, I'm glad I have them now, so we'll use them somewhere. The other nice thing about it is, you know, like this particular item here isn't my style, but I definitely know someone that it would work for, so you can gift it, re-gift it. I mean, you paid for it. It's not like you got it for free, so I'll definitely be doing that with this. And the other items I'm probably going to be greedy and keep those. So anyways, if you like today's video and you want to see more unboxings, then please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and please maybe even leave a comment below just to let me know what type of boxes you would be interested in seeing. And you know, I have a few more videos planned out. Again, I apologize, they're so sporadic, but one of these days I'll get it down to a fine art and have a system. So anyways, I keep saying anyways, I apologize. So that concludes the video. Be sure to hit like, be sure to make a comment, be sure to subscribe if you're new, and if you are new, thank you for watching, and I hope you consider joining my family. And I really am interested in growing my YouTube channel. I think it's a lot of fun. I love watching them. So anyways, I am gonna quit rambling and we are done with this video now. So thank you for watching. Bye. Catch you on the next one.